Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby, the Learning Lab. Today at the market, we're solving real math problems using addition and subtraction. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Solving addition and subtraction problems, deciding when to add, deciding when to subtract, and thinking step by step. Every problem gives us clues about what operation to use. Here's how we know. Add when things come together. Subtract when things are taken away. So we look at the situation. That's the key. At one stall, 213 coconuts. Another stall adds 134 coconuts. What do? We add. 3 ones plus 4 ones equals 7 ones. 1 10 plus 3 tens equals 4 tens. 200 plus 100 equals 300. So the answer is 347. Let's do another one. At another stall, 486 coconuts. 253 coconuts are taken away. What do? We subtract. 6 ones minus 3 ones equals 3 ones. 8 tens minus 5 tens equals 3 tens. 400 minus 200 equals 200. So the answer is 233. Let's try a mixed situation. Start with 300 coconuts. Add 150. Take away 120. Step 1. Add. 300 plus 150 equals 450. Step 2. Subtract. 450 minus 120 equals 330. So the answer is 330. Always read carefully, decide what to do, and solve step by step. Let's sing the add or subtract song.
If it grows, add it up. If it shrinks, subtract away. Think it through and take your time. Choose the math and you'll be fine. Think it through and take your time. Choose the math and you'll be fine.
Say it together. Add or subtract. Think, then act. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. One stall has 200 coconuts, another adds 150. What do? Correct! We add to get 350. Challenge 2. One stall has 589 coconuts. 135 are taken away. What do? Correct! We subtract to get 454. Challenge 3. Start with 400, add 100, then take away 50. 400 plus 100 equals 500. Then 500 minus 50 equals 450. So the answer is 450. Let's review what we learned today. You solved addition and subtraction problems. You decided when to add, you decided when to subtract, and you thought step by step. Great problem solving. For solving mixed problems, you earned the Problem Solver badge. Congratulations! Next time, we'll learn multiplication, equal groups, and arrays. See you in Lesson 10. Bye, explorers!